Hey guys, my name is Amar and you're watching Artbox Studio. Welcome back to another interesting video. School's exams have been cancelled and vacations have almost started. While we all are trying our best for our kids to keep their learning on, I thought of introducing you to one of the best STEM toy, or you can call it as an electronics kit for kids of 8 years and onwards. It says 8 years, but my niece, who is just 5 plus, also does few experiments precisely by watching her elder brother do. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Children learn through play, and toys are their tools. Access to right toys can give them a head start in life. The electronics kit that I am showing you today gives your child an exciting hands-on introduction to electronics. Let your little one have fun learning to build circuits with these colorful electronics pieces that easily snap together. The electronics kit toy can be used to make interesting circuits, encouraging educational play that teaches your little one about basics of electricity. The kit that you are seeing in this video can perform around 1300 experiments using those pieces. You do get a variety of kits with less or more number of experiments. The only difference will be the number of pieces in the box, which allows to perform the numerous experiments given in the manual. The cost of the kit may vary accordingly. The manual is full colored printed book with all the experiments to be performed explained step by step. Quite simple to be understood by kids. The box contains small pieces which includes snap wires, slide switches, an alarm circuit, a music integrated circuit and speaker, which snaps together easily on the included plastic grid. Each piece is numbered and color coded to make identifying them easy. These components combine to create working circuit boards just like the ones found inside any of our home electronic gadgets such as television, radios, etc. Please note that there are no extra tools or soldering is needed to perform any of the experiments. If you want to buy such STEM toy for your kids, you can easily buy from your nearest toy store. If you don't find it there, you can easily find it on either Amazon or Flipkart. You can also find a contact detail or the best buy link in my description in case you want to buy the same kit that I have shown you in this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button and do subscribe to this channel. We do keep posting a lot of educational videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So see you until the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Please like and subscribe.